phone call from a friend transformed my life. Hi, my name is Fauzia. I work as a data scientist and I live in Silicon Valley. It was post-COVID, world had just reopened, but my heart had not. California sunshine poured through my window, but I could feel its warmth. It was 10 a.m. and I was still in bed, weighed down by a heaviness that I could shake off. I hesitantly joined Art Flipping Part 1 workshop after insistence from a friend. And in my very first session, something shifted. A weight felt lifted from my chest. I was crying, tears were rolling down my cheeks, and I didn't even know why. All I knew was that I felt something. I felt a spark of life. I felt joy. And since then, I've been practicing Sudarshan Kriya regularly. It's filled me with so much happiness, joy, and light. I feel I've regained my life thanks to Art of Living. And I highly encourage you all to experience it during July 4th weekend with Gurudev Shri Ravi Shankar himself. Thank you.